we are on our way to the Therpup Resorts, which is located in Sarjapur Road, which is especially for this fellow. Shiro, hi Chupu.
No more guessing the lyrics.
So that is the entrance, and from there here is a car parking, and there's a building called boarding. I guess they take pups for boarding over there. And here is the reception. Here is our boy running around here and there. I like how they have kept dog statues outside. It's very breezy over here. Nice it is. So we got a room on the first floor. So there are totally 5 cottages. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we got a one which is on the top, and I think it will have a view of the other side. So this is the lawn. So they have separate lawns for the first floor and the ground floor ones. So the ground floor people will have that lawn, I guess, and for the first floor I think they'll have this lawn. I'm thinking that. And Shiro is nicely exploring.
Hello?
So this is how the view is from the first floor. There are 2 pups over here. I think they are in-house pups. So this is the view, and we have a private balcony over here, and this is the room. Room is pretty decent. It has an air conditioning, bed, nice mirror, a table, and a very good decent washroom. There is a GST on the next cottage. So for lunch we ordered pizza, french fries and one milkshake. Food is pretty good, pretty decent, nothing to worry about. And we ordered some food for pet also. So even dog food is included in the menu. Now it's around 4 o'clock and we took a short nap. And now we are going to go explore the playground and the swimming pool. Here is the playground. They have all these activities for the dogs. So this is the playground. They have some amazing, what did they call this? Agility something course. They have these kind of things. And also there is a swimming pool. So if you book a cottage, you will have 1 hour of complimentary swimming pool access. And there is a restaurant over here. You can see Shiro is playing, running around here and there happily with all the dogs. This is the night view of the playground and the swimming pool. This is the night view of the cottages. This is how the morning looks. It's very peaceful, very cold and very nice. Here is Shiro. Shiro! Hi! And there are other dogs playing here. There's one more Shiro here. For the dogs from the resort side, they provide these bowls if we request them, and then they provide a blanket just like this, very thin. It is better that you get a blanket or a mat from your home for your puppy. We are checking out and Shiro is fully tired. See, bye Shiro. See.